But yeah, hey everybody, we're finally back doing more Goon's House of Doom stuff. Yeah, so I kind of want to mess with the map system a little bit more, basically, is what the plan is for tonight. Maybe some other stuff beyond that, too, depending on how far we get and how much time or whatever. Wow. Godot has also been acting a little funky on me, and I hope we're okay. Well, it's weird. Yeah, so we've got our map thing. Okay, so I can go in and out of this just fine. One hopefully simple thing I wanted to add is just, being able to scroll around the map so you can, like, reposition where it's at. Probably even add in a thing to, center on whatever room you're currently in. Yeah. So let's do that, shall we? Might need to restructure that scene a little bit to make that happen, so let's get that going. Right, so we got this thing. And the map is part of this, okay, go to the map. Not what I meant to click, but cool, whatever. What the heck? Oh yeah, that dynamically loads a scene in from that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I guess I did want to open that script then, because this is where we'll have to process the input. Right, so all this does now is it just, you know, initializes if we need to, and then returns the header. Oh, it does all this stuff. Yeesh, okay. But I don't care about any of this. This works, so we're good. We're good on that front. Let us... I'm trying to think, like, I would really like a container, I guess, so that we can move or shift things that way. Well, okay, no, this will work, because what we're adding is, like... Yeah, we just have one of these. It's already in the hierarchy of the thing. I guess I can look at it. We run this and go to remote here. Oh right, root, sub root, player. That's kind of a clever way they do all the auto loads. Like, they have a space for them up there, it looks like. Cool. Note reader. Where the heck are you? Inventory UI. Yeah, so this itself would be one whole thing. Cool. Yeah, so if we just move this around, I think that gets the job done, essentially. Yeah. Cool, that'll work. Should I know the current index? I feel like I need that for something. Oh, this is just, Oh, okay. We have the infrastructure for this setup, but we need to, like, expound on this a little bit, I think. Right, so right now, if I had more than one map, they would all be loaded into the object at the start of the scene, or in the player inventory object, and then it'll just grab whatever the current one is using... Oh, right, get the current room. Okay, so that all is good. And then if we wanted to, like, swap over, we could add a control for that as well. If you want to change, like, which map you're looking at. Cool. Okay. Should probably give it the delta as well. Oh. It's a double, not a float. I think I will eventually need like a current map index, or yeah, current map ID. That'll work just fine. You know, we'll go one further. We'll put this in here and move that up a bit. Control. That's how it is in this harsh game dev world. What's up, ZD? How's it going? I'm good. Feeling a little funky today. I think it was all the shenanigans last night. But, whatever, we're pushing through it. This actually probably will be our last, Actually, I guess there's nothing to stop me from doing game dev if I end up streaming while I'm on vacation, because my laptop will be able to handle all that. I don't know yet. We're definitely gonna have at least one stream. I know I said this in Discord already, but, we're gonna play the new casting of Frank Stone, which is a Dead by Daylight universe, one of those like what the hell is the genre even called? It's like the Dark Pictures games where it's story based and there's like certain things you can influence to change the outcome of the story. But yeah, that came out a couple weeks ago. But the people that I'm staying with like those, so I figured let's all frickin' play it together. What the hell was I doing? Oh, man. It's been like 9 minutes, we already got one. Really should update things so that they don't get to... Also, what was that URL? It's like... the website was literally called Japanese URL or something. It wasn't like someone doing a joke, was it? No, okay, we're good. Need to double check. Oh wait, was there... No, I'm gaslighting myself. Was there a first-time viewer on that? There had to have been, right? I don't know who the hell that is anyway, but... I don't know why the dashboard, oh, fair, yeah. I wish the Better Twitch plugin worked the same on the dashboard where I can see deleted messages. Honestly, even just as, like, a channel owner or, like, a moderator, I feel like you should see what got deleted by default. Yeah, I don't know if it... I also don't know if with, like, Better Twitch, if it shows you the first-time viewer thing, if it's a deleted message it's showing. But whatever, don't worry about it. Actually, I guess I can do it this way, hold on. Twitch TV, Mr. Goon and Watch. If it'll load the chat for me. They don't even show up. It's a bummer. Whatever. not gonna check on that. Actually, I wonder. Okay, how do I check? I don't know if I've ever had a ban appeal or an unban appeal, although I don't know who would. Of the like human beings I have banned, I believe all of them actually had the ability to talk to me, other than like the random people that just came in. Yeah, it's in mod view somewhere. Oh right, they moved it over there. That's why I can't find it. How the heck do I even turn mod view on? All right, I'm not. This is not a. Just chat highlight settings. Weird. Anyway. This is a coding stream, not a configure my Twitch while live stream. Okay. I made a method for this. We have a thing in the constants. Yeah, movement vector with dead zone. Ooh. Oh no, am I dropping frames? Hold on. No. It keeps happening where like my stream will buffer and I'm like, oh god, we're dropping frames, everything's going to shit. Then it's actually just fine. Notification, what happened? Ad manager's been updated. Oh no, that was my gift sub expired. No. Good, good. Glad to hear it. Alright, so we have the movement, and then you goon. So we take the movement, we do if movement. Perfect, that is actually kind of what I was getting at. If it equals 0, don't bother with any of this. But if we have input on either axis, then we want to process movement. Oh, also I need to check before doing any of this. If base dot... Oh, come on. Bastard. It's like is active window or something, but I can't remember exactly what I called it. Ah, is active tab. I was hoping IntelliSense would just help me with that. I got that backwards. If it's not the active tab, don't process input because we don't want to move anything. Did I use IntelliJ at all? I did, or do I currently? No. I have, though. I don't care much for it. Yeah, IntelliJ IDEA, I think, is like the last version I used of IntelliJ. I did that when I was doing some like contract work, when I was like moonlighting. And, I don't know, I mean, it works, it's fine. Nothing wrong with it. I'm stuck in my ways, I just like Visual Studio. Give me Visual Studio or give me something incredibly bare bones like Notepad++. I want no in-betweens. I don't even like Visual Studio Code all that much. Although I do appreciate that there is a like lighter option, because Visual Studio is bulky for sure. In order to use it through work, it's amazing. Especially with their AI code completion, it reads my mind. Nice. I've noticed that, I don't know, I make fun of it on stream sometimes, but like overall, the code completion stuff in Visual Studio is pretty decent. It's getting pretty decent, at least. It doesn't do too well with like this Godot library, I will say that. But if you're doing like just regular C# development, like it's pretty good at like kind of figuring out what you need. Even with like package libraries and stuff. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, so we want to grab... Oh, yeah, so... We want to get child this index, and then we cast it as a control, and then we can call... Not visible. Also, I need more parentheses. This is still slightly legible. Oh, set position is probably... Actually, hold on. What are my options here? I just have set position. And just needs a vector, gotcha. Wait, keep offsets. The anchors will be updated instead of the offsets. I think the default's fine on that. Can you run C# in VS Code? Yeah, you can. Debug through it. I don't know. I assume so. Whenever I use VS Code at work, it's always for like random JS framework projects we have. So there's actually no C#, it's all JavaScript and whatever other like layer on top of it, whether it be Angular or name any other one. I'm blanking. Sorry, I'm not a front-end guy. It also means I'm rarely in Visual Studio Code. New pops. New position is going to be... Alright, we need to take this over here. I feel like I should have a quicker way to like get this lookup, set it up, chat. I'm more familiar with Angular. I mean, develop the front end for my full stack Twitch bot. Nice. It is pretty nice. Nothing against front end frameworks, it's just really not my forte. As you can tell by my amazing work I've done on the UI in this game. Am I supposed to? Oh man. I don't know if that's global position. I guess we'll find out pretty quickly. When it's hard. Better back end. Teehee. What is this? Oh, no. Movement times delta. Chat, Hollow Body's ready to play. I'm shocked that didn't tank my stream. I didn't even know it was downloading. What the fuck? Might explain why my thing buffered a second ago. That's cool, I guess. Can I not just multiply this by a number? What's happening? Oh, is it gonna make me do this? I mean, I might need to mess with this vector anyway, because I don't think that, like, just directly translating the movement is going to be the right direction for everything, but I just want to see if this works. Am I not able to just fucking... Whatever. Well, is it literally just because it's a float? The heck? Or a double, I mean? Oh my god. That's annoying. Oh, right, scale. I was like, what? I tried to type magnitude. I know, it also doesn't. And I tried looking for times. But no, this is a valid operator, just... It's weird. Is this normalized? Oh yeah, it is, because the inputs are between 1 and 2. Or 0 and 1, I mean. Or -1 and +1, whatever. Fucking whatever. Yeah, it just didn't. It just doesn't have one for being or processing doubles. Even though I only had that as a double because it's the thing they pass in for the update loop. Was this 32-bit processing? I really don't know. It's weird. Weird decision. Okay, let's see if this works. Huh. It does not work. Hooray! I don't think this is the same. That's something going off in the note pickup code. Whatever. Vectors built on float and not double. That's gotta be it. So it's like, hey, I intentionally didn't do this because, yeah, whatever. But when in doubt. I hope this print's clean. I'm not gonna bother until I know that I need to do it. It might just be, like, such a small value that it's not showing or something. Wait, I think I might have pressed the wrong button. Oh wait, no, left and right still work. Oh wait, it is moving it. Oh shit, there we go. This is very, very slowly. Also, this actually is moving in the exact directions I thought it would. A slight problem. I don't know if I want the title of the map to move with everything else. I guess whatever. It's not like wrong or anything. Okay. So that's working. We just need to add another variable here. I mean, I could make it like an export so I can like tweak it, but I think just... It's okay, we'll call this map scroll speed. I also forget what I use for constants. Alright, this might be way too fast. Just put 69 in there for temporary value, but... Oh, actually that's quite nice. I'm having trouble moving on multiple axes. Does that same problem exist with the controller or no? Same problem exists with the controller. Why is it not able... Like, it can move just fine, like, in both directions. Oh, also, one other thing I wanted to do is reset the position when you come back. You know what? Instead of doing all this, let's make a method for this, because we're doing this in a couple places. Oh, I don't even need that. Yeah. Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't call it root. Call it get current map node instead. And we can do that, and then I can also do this. It's also a vector 128 and vector 256. Oh, maybe the I and non-I? Is this... But this would be like a 128 value vector, right? Hey, Big Boy Games! Thanks for the raid! We're doing some very exciting stuff. Hey, what's up? How's the game going? It's going along. We're working on the map system right now, and I'm trying to make it so you can scroll. Oop, I didn't hit enter on that. Yeah, welcome on in, Raiders. We're making a Resident Evil style survival horror game, and right now I'm trying to build a map. And it's kind of working. But how'd your stream go? Hope everything's going well. Hope your game is still doing well after release there. I know you adding more stuff to it and all that, but congrats again on that, by the way. Yeah, so we got this map system. It works, but for some reason I'm not able to, like, I can scroll in any direction, but I can't do it simultaneously. I'm not quite sure why. It's pretty sick so far. What was I gonna do? Oh, right, we were just printing some debug stuff. Oh, I didn't... right, I just commented that stuff out. But, yeah, so, like, the map reveals more stuff as you, like, find rooms. I forget where I put the map object, but if you find a map, it'll reveal all rooms on that map. Oh, I think it's this thing over here. Yeah, debug area map, so now all of it's there. It shows you, like, where doors are at. I need to work on some of these colors, obviously, but, you know, whatever. Oh, yeah, and it also shows you, shoot. It shows you locked doors once you've inspected a door and you see that it's locked. It will show you, like, hey, that's locked. So, for example, this door over here. Now it shows up red. And I don't know if you noticed, but the other one, so they're dark gray, and then they go to, like, white when you pass through a door. Likewise, if I were to go unlock that door, which I'm about to do right now. It's awesome. Thanks. Yep, that was the key. Ignore the fact that it's a trash can. I obviously have a lot of artwork left to be done on this game. Okay, unlocked it. So now turns to white. Anyway, just fun little systemic stuff like that. And yeah, let's get this working. Oh yeah, I was trying to figure out what the heck a vector 128 is. Oh, it's not like a class. Interesting. I don't know. Never seen that before. Yeah, we were talking about that. So didn't trip me up for long, but there was an issue. I'm like, I tried to just multiply a number by a vector and it wouldn't let me do it. And I'm like, can you really not do that? And then I like checked the error and it was like, oh yeah, you can't multiply a double by a vector because they work off floats. So that's why we're down this rabbit hole right now. It's the bit width. Oh, gotcha. Anywho, right. So let's try to figure out what's going on with this. I don't know if I can set this to just 0, 0, but I'm hoping I can. So I can reset it when you like close and open the map back up. If that isn't the case, I'm gonna need to save what their positions were so we can then set them back to that afterwards. That'd be a bit of a bummer. Oh, I think I got it right though. I have the like the anchor set hopefully correctly. Map node dot position. Hopefully one of those two things will be 0, 0. That's what we're currently hoping for. Okay. Yes, okay, local positions at 0, 0. Perfect. That's exactly what I was hoping for. And then if I move it around and close it, it's still going to be in the wrong spot. And now it shows something different, but that's okay. We can just do set position vector 2.0. Thanks, yeah, that's what I want to do. Oakley dokley. So that should fix that. Still don't know why I can't move it in two directions. This isn't even like a keyboard thing either, because I tried my controller and that also has the same problem. Alright, so we're gonna move this all the way over here. Boom. Even if I do this, I think it should also still reset, but I'm not sure about that. Oh, it doesn't, okay. Oh, I guess it's because it's not, it only calls that when you open the menu. I don't know how I feel about that. I might fix that, but, either way. Oh. Yeah. Eventually, I suppose I should do that. At this point, we've already got this stuff figured out. I'm getting rid of these debug statements. Not really much of a point to them. So, right, so we exit out if there's no vector. I guess I shouldn't have gotten rid of the other thing. Moving map. Current map ID. Oh, I also need to get current... Wait, was that the whole thing? Yeah. Get current map node. Moving this from map... Oop. Map container dot position to... I'm wondering if part of the problem is the fact that I'm doing this, like, get child over and over again. It's not really ideal. Yeah, maybe I should save that object and then, like, update it each time the map changes. That way we don't need to call, you know, get child node and all that. That would actually be better than just the current map index or whatever. We could probably get rid of that at that point. Well, we will make that change in a second. I don't know why that would affect not being able to read both the X and Y here, though. Like, it... Presumably it's getting both, because I can move it in both ways. Oops, wrong. I don't know how I don't know the controller controls to my game. Oh! Yeah, it's only giving me one or the other. Why, though? Especially in the case of the keyboard. First of all, the keyboard for some reason is not at 1 when it's set. That's kind of crazy. Oh yeah, I just realized also because we did things that way, we can like scooch the thing over or go full throttle. Well, in theory anyway. Okay, so this might be a problem with my like general control processing, because we use this everywhere. But yeah, give me left, right, up, down. Okay. Maybe some of the dead zone processing I'm doing is like wrong. If horizontal input is less than 0. Okay. Do I have that backwards or something? No, because none of this makes sense. Maybe my dead zone's too aggressive. I don't know. Oh, that is pretty high dead zone. Let's bring that down to 5. Yeah, it might legitimately just never be getting above that value if I have it at the corner. Well, okay, again, that explains the joystick doing that. It does not explain the, Okay, there we go. So that fixes that. Maybe the way it processes... Okay, yeah, that's bizarre. But yeah, maybe just the way it processes, keyboard stuff. I guess I could see right here, right? What are we getting reading-wise? Yeah, why is that not... That is insane to me. That the keyboard would be like, yep, it's 0.64 for just the arrow key. Weird. Weird, but whatever, it's working, I'll take it. And it didn't seem like that affected anything else negatively, so we'll just leave it at that for now. I think I set that so high because I'm using a really old Xbox 360 controller. And it probably is just very fidgety. Also, that reminds me, I need to go over here. Remind myself to bring that controller when I go on vacation. Alright. Sorry. It's a little... a little scatterbrained here. Okay, cool. That fixes that. Back to... Is it map? Not map status. Map data. Nope, not map data either. What frickin' file were we just in? Oh, we want the map status UI. Yes. Okay, so the other thing I want to do is not call get child like a million times, because that's not awesome. Instead, what we're gonna do, instead of current map ID, let's do this. Whoa. Bring it rid of the other thing as well. The heck, man? Oh. Okay. I don't know why I would ever, like... I could probably just make this thing set the current node to that, but that's okay. Okay, and then instead of this, we'll just use... Oh, I don't even... I probably won't need this. I'm going to regret that probably, but whatever. Is there anything still referencing current map ID? Looks like no. Alright. Sweet. Let's see what I broke. Still working. Alright. And then if I close this and reopen it, it recenters. That's good. Doesn't do it if I swap these tabs, but that's okay. We will live with that for now. Cool. The only other thing around all this is instead of centering at 0, 0 when you open it up, it would be nice to center at the room that you're in, but I don't know how to make that happen. Much like, I also want to add like where the player is in the current room they're in on your map. But I'm not sure how to do that. So this is all the data for the map. I'm trying to figure out where we set the color for the map. One slightly easier thing I want to do with this as well, which I think we'll do now, is I'm gonna steal even more from Resident Evil. They actually, so instead of just having like 3 different colors, one for when you're in the room, one for when you're, one for when you've like discovered the room and have been in it but aren't currently in it, and then like a third one for rooms you haven't been in yet. The one you're in just flashes whatever color that it currently is. And then likewise, I also want to like, we have the data for this, but we aren't using it for anything yet. I want to set when the room has been cleared out versus like still has items in it. That's a more advanced thing, but we just need to like wire that up to the pickup system to check for that. Actually, yeah, let me refresh my memory on how all this works. I want to see, like, I forget if we, like, completely demolish the item when it doesn't exist, or what. How come I can't, wait. Okay, yeah, that's weird, the camera, something I changed, oh, when I changed the model for the door, that's what did it. Dang it. Jeez. Right, so remote. This is so messy. Oh, it's the player, that's why. So that should be the ammo. We'll see how much of this stays. So we picked it up. Okay, so the spawn is still there, but everything underneath it got destroyed. Which makes sense, yeah. Ooh, the tricky thing is, So we just need to do it, so like, if we just tie this into like when you're picking an item up, we'll always just check for the current room. But like, I can't just like scan for any instances of like item, or I guess I could. Maybe that's what we do actually. Just loop through every object in the scene and see if we can find any instances of items, maps, memos, or I guess puzzle objects too. Like if there's like a switch to like open up a door in another room, you'd probably want to like let the player know something's in there. Ooh, the other thing too is if there's a room with nothing in it, we also need to handle that. But that, okay, hold on. To that end, I think we might be okay. We could probably like add a boolean for that to like just tell it ahead of time like there's nothing in here. And we actually have a room with nothing in it, so we can use that. Perfect. Yes. So this right here has a room object. Yes. I think that's the easiest way to solve it. Obviously, we could do an additional scan when you like enter the room to see like is there anything that you haven't gotten yet. But I think that's a bit overkill. Maybe, hopefully. Okay, yeah. So map room data. This script. Open it up. I don't think I need a public int for this. This could be private. Yeah, we'll do that. Oh. So on ready if the room has no pickups. Player cleared room is just true automatically. I need to check, like, do we use this? Or not implementation. Am I pulling this value? Ah, the decompiled code, dang it. Room data, player cleared room is map status dot cleared room. This room. And that's inside map data. So we almost want to call up to the map status for this one, which we could do. Actually, yeah, wait, let's do it that way. Ooh, is this gonna be... I don't know if this is going to cause problems. It might. But we'll have to try, I guess. I don't know. This will only be here for a second. Even better. Let me say cleared room for our room ID. I guess if this is a order issue, we can so this I think actually will call down into this. No, it doesn't. Okay, well, good. What the hell do we use it for over here then? Or I guess literally just this. Okay. Fair enough. I don't know what color that is, but whatever. Oh, you know what? Yeah, overcomplicated this. We can just do like color dot. There's never mind. No, there's not. I thought there was constants for like common colors, but there is not. Yeah, so this in-room color is kind of what I want to mess with here. So we're gonna need an update method here. Process, whatever. And then in our process method, we're gonna want to, like, this is where we'll do our flash effect, I guess. Oh wait, actually, no, we might be able to set that with a, yeah, hold on. Hold on. I got this, I think. But I got some, I'm Googling it. Flash. Color rect. See, this is what I was worried about. It's giving me info on sprites, and all of them seem to be like saying use shaders, which that's fair. But I don't think I can apply a shader to a color rect. Or maybe I can. Hold on, let's look. What do I know? I mean, I guess like we can do it the hard way where we just like fade in over time. Oh, modulate. Wait, what's this? Oh, no, that'll just maybe? I don't know. How to create a flash effect in Godot. Yeah. So, as I kind of expected, all of the solutions seem to be focused around... Oh, wait, you can apply a material, though. Maybe this will work, then. Hold up. Where the heck was the code for the shader? I have no idea if this is correct either. Oh yeah, how do they trigger it also? So it's in their animation player. I might be barking up the wrong tree here. Okay, yeah, so they're using keyframes to set the parameter on the shader over time. That makes sense. None of that is going to apply to a color rect, though. So... make the screen flash red. Okay, hold up. That's from 2022. Okay, so still using a shader here. Okay, yeah, so we could tie into the shader using but then again, this is creating more setup, and I don't love that. Maybe modulate is the way to go here. Godot, because I don't want to have to put this shader on every single like room that I make in a map. It's not like the worst thing ever, but like if I can set nothing, that's so much better. Godot. Modulate. Color. So if I were to do this, right, like... Actually, what the hell is the difference between self-modulate and modulate? Colors applied to canvas item. Does not affect canvas item, unlike modulate. If Affects both the node itself and its children. Oh, so just yourself, not any child objects. Gotcha. Cool. I think we can just make this work, basically. Just, yeah, mess with the modulate and the update loop. That should be fine. Back to script. Oh, that's cool. I could lerp. Oh, I'm in the wrong place anyway. Did we save whether they're in the room or not? We did not. Okay, so we'll want to save that for sure. How the heck does this get set? Where on earth do we set this? Player visited. It's like this works, so. Oh, it's public, so we just set it elsewhere. Gotcha. Dude, I don't know how I didn't write this that long ago. I don't know why I'm like just completely unable to figure this one out here. Yeah, okay, we pull it from the status, gotcha. And that's when we're loading between scenes, I think. It's not what I meant to click on, thank you. Oh no, it's anytime we call refresh map, nice. Okay, that works for me. Thanks for the contribution towards the Resident Evil Marathon. ZD. Should have like some visual setup for whatchamacallits. Stream goals. The point goal, channel point goals. There we go. Found it. How far along is that? I can't see. Oh, I can see it from here. It is past the Goon token garbage can. Gasp. Blah, 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 blah. Dude, I can't believe like the next N64 game we drew is a horror game. That could not have been more perfectly timed. Especially because I don't think I'll be streaming on the on Friday this week, given that I am like flying out 2 days later and I have a lot of stuff I still need to prepare. And the day before I go, I'm going to a convention. So, you know, fun stuff. What am I doing? What am I doing? Self-modu... Oh, I guess, Flash... room. Flash room BG. If players in the room... If they're not in the room, whatever. What we're going to want to do instead of this, instead of the in-room color, we'll just get rid of that one altogether. And then... Like, color lerp probably is, like, the proper way to do this, but I guess, I just need to, like... Hold on. Lerp between 3 colors? Hey, thanks for the follow, Jakku. I hope I said that remotely right. Welcome on in. Okay. Color lerp back and forth. Dang it. I'm shocked I haven't found, like, a value of this. Oh, there are color constants that I can pull up. I don't know why they didn't show up when I typed that. Whatever. It's fine. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Okay, anyway, let's see. I guess I don't have to lerp, I can just, like, subtract or add, and then we'll use a boolean to check, like, are we going up or down right now? I assume there's a color dot equal I can use, but if not, whatever. Actually, you know, better than a bool, just use an int, because I'm going to multiply it anyway. So it'll be like either -1 or 1. We'll start it at -1. Then if self-modulate color, oh shoot. Oh, that is just a color, gotcha. So we can do equals, oh yeah, you just do new color. What am I? That's what we're doing wrong. Ah. It's like, those are doubles. I can't process that. So we'll check on both ends. Did it again. I guess I can just do 1 and then it won't get confused. Oh. Helps if I type dot equals there. So there's a slight problem with this. I mean, first of all, I haven't even messed with the self-modulate yet, but self-modulate dot... How do I, like, set this? I guess I just do this. It's weird, but whatever. Oh no, it doesn't like that at all. Oh, I literally had a tab open that was showing me how to use self-modulate. Okay, you have to change it to a new color. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. And we'll have to define a change here. Ah, this double shit. It's driving me nuts. Alright. That's gonna flash crazy fast. Let's do it that way instead. I will tweak that in a second. Add some variables. I need to put delta in there so that it's not tied to the frame rate. But that's where the problem comes in because we're checking for exact values. I guess I could do like, I could check the RG and B individually, so I could just check like one of them and say, hey, is this less than the value? Okay, so good news is our race condition, it didn't happen, it's working. The map status is already initialized by the time we get to this thing. That is good. The bad news is... Right. Well, no, players in rooms should be getting passed through. Let's see what the data says. Once again, I'm going to hope there's a pretty two-string there, and it's not just going to say data type, but we'll see. Code's running. I also probably shouldn't, oh, I don't know. Whatever. If I check the remote here... Like, finding a way to, like, only mess with that when it's visible would be nice, but at the same time... Oh my god, it's going crazy. Oh, this just really felt like completely flew off the handle here. I'm trying to find the actual object, because it feels like it's not changing it. Oh, I know what's happening. The script is running on this thing, not this thing. Does it have a copy of that thing? Sure does. Okay, cool. Ironically, if I hadn't used self-modulate, we would have been perfect. Because the regular modulate does affect child objects. Although something is also going wrong in this process because it's getting to like negative 69 somehow. No, it should be going down by the stupid rounding error. No! Alright. Like I said, we already have a better fix for this anyway. All we gotta do is self-modulate dot the hell? R less than or equal to, I guess. 0.5 or it's greater than or equal to 1 . Ah, good, yes. Actually, this is even better this way, so then you can just clamp it to, the two values. Damn it. Thinking I can do that. Okay. Hope I did that in the right order. Yeah, that's min, that's max. Perfect. I guess we could actually do an exact check there at this point, but whatever. We'll get that in here as well, even though I'm gonna need to cast this because the stupid freaking thing. Oh wait, let's do it up here. Alright. Weird code, but should work. It's probably changing very slowly now. Because of the delta there. Well, let's take this out, I guess. Actually, let's just up it. Alright, now it's going way too fast, but that's working. Good. I wish I could, like, go higher than 111, but I don't think I can. I could try it, I guess. Alright, let's break this stuff out into variables here. In fact, actually, we don't need... Okay, yeah, in-room... in-room modulate color. We will make that 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. And then we'll also have... in-room flash speed. 60 was way too much. Like way too much. We'll just put it at 1 for now. I'm gonna try this actually. Let's try to go up to 2 and see what happens. And then we'll set our default to 1 here. This will be better in terms of not allocating a bunch of memory for a color. Just like make this check here. In-room default color or default modulate. Oh, actually I need to reverse these now because they're now in fact same goes for this guy. Oh, and then this should be alright, perfect. Wait, can I do this? Hold on. Is it a valid operation? No. Didn't think so. Would have been nice, though. Cool. Let's see if this blows up. I might have had, like, some other bad logic in there, I don't know. Oh, that does work. Nice. It's actually, like, the perfect rate, too. And that should work on any room I go into. Oh, shoot. I need to, like... So when it switches, I need to set the self-modulate back. I guess when we call update status. Status dot self-modulate equals default color in room default. That should fix it. It stops flashing, it just leaves it at whatever filter it had it at. Most unfortunate. Yeah, okay. That did the trick. Nice. I think we will get to at least take a stab at getting the player to show up where they are in the room. So my idea for that is I'm gonna have like a fudge factor, just like a two values. I don't know if I can just make a vector a parameter in the exports or not, but and then just in each of these like room objects you can like specify like what the scale is. And then it'll just literally take the XY coordinates in the room and then multiply it by that fudge factor and then put like a little X or whatever marker we use for the player in here for them. I think that will work just fine, but I'm not sure. Godot, my beloved. Hey, what's up, Int? How you doing? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. I need to do the rest of the things I was doing. Oh yeah, so next on the docket, we got it flashing when the player's in the room rather than using a dedicated color for that. I was wondering, would it be better to like maybe make that a little bit faster? Doubling up. Now that feels too fast. We're gonna go 1.5. It's the dumbest thing to tweak, but whatever. So martini count as a cocktail? Absolutely. I don't know why it wouldn't. I don't think it falls into some other classification of a thing. Alright, that's looking right. If so, I made my first cocktail. Nice. That's a pretty legit cocktail. Oh yeah, zooming in, like shifting the camera automatically to which room. Dude, I have no idea of how I'm gonna do that, so we're just gonna ignore that some more for now. Anyway, congrats. Okay, so room 3, we want to check this has no pickups. So this should actually work. I grab the map, and then it should still be gray because we've never been there. Yep. So let's go into the debug cutscene room, and this should actually paint it the other color, which I have no idea what it is. Didn't work. Damn. Trust me, it works. Sadly, it does not. I don't even know what color I set that to, also. I hope it is a different color. Maybe it did work and I just didn't realize. cleared room is green and then blue, so it should be like a kind of turquoise, mostly green color. Unvisited is gray. Visited is the opposite of that. So more bluish teal. Here we got peanut butter and pickle sandwich. Peanut butter and pickles. I'm not hearing you. I hate pickles. Don't fuck with pickles. Alright, for the sake of it, let's make this like just really oh yeah, actually let's again steal from Resident Evil and make it like reddish. It's probably gonna be like burning red. It's not really what I want. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but yeah. Need to. I'll tune that in with the color picker. I think it's probably the better way to go here. All right. No, yeah, it just didn't set that for some reason. Did I check the right thing for that? Yeah, room has no pickups. Oh, wait, no, what? None of this makes sense. So, I mean, maybe this is what's happening. Like, it could be getting overwritten because it loads that data in. Oh my gosh, I totally... Okay, it is getting overwritten. Map status is not ready. That race condition's there. I thought that... I don't know why I thought, but I thought that this would show up in this error thing instead of just, like, right here when I do gd.error. Tony Stark. Oh my god, I can't read. Survive a spring lock failure. Well, I couldn't survive that sentence, so I'm not at liberty to answer that question, I think. And survive that sentence. It's true. Okay, so what we need to do... Slight problem here. Less slight problem here. We're kind of okay. Maybe. So, okay, I could make it a init flag and then just constantly check in the update loop, but I think instead we can just do this over here. Like, it's no biggie. this shouldn't happen anymore. I'm just gonna get rid of this blindly. Which means it's definitely going to happen, and we're gonna get weird errors, and I'll be very confused and angry. Mr. Beast and watch. Mr. Beast! The worst part about... I don't know jack shit about Mr. Beast. Other than his name is Jimmy or whatever. No, okay, my logic's a little wrong there. Kind of. Oh, that makes a weird effect when you do that. Maybe I should rethink this. Alright, whatever. But also, for some reason, my mind just goes to that one thing, which isn't even Mr. Beast related. The fucking stupid epic rap battles or whatever. Whatever the fuck that thing is. Okay, so what we want to do here is. Okay, I think we only want to show the cleared color if they've also visited it, so just throw an and in there for that. Because otherwise it's weird to, like, know that you've cleared the room out even though you've never been in it. Cool, okay. Then if I go over there... Hooray, it shows cleared, and then if I leave the room... It should still show cleared. Perfect. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Okay, we still have one more thing to do around room clearing. I need to actually wire up logic to check if the room is clear every time the player picks something up. Picks something up and or solves puzzle and or... Fuck. I guess that's another, like, question is, should I consider a room uncleared until you've, like, opened all the doors in it? Well, no, that's a bad idea, because if a door is supposed to lock, like, permanently at some point in the game, that's not good. No, I think, like, just the puzzles and picking up all the items and reading all the notes would be a good way to mark it as cleared. Chat, the weirdest old man thing that just happened to me. So my back has been mildly in pain today. That sneeze just, like, it feels better now. Just needed to sneeze. Alright. Oh, shoot. But here's the problem with the code, though. Oh, actually, maybe this does work. Hold on. Where's the code? Yeah, test code input. This does. I don't think this goes away. I think there's just logic to be like, hey, this has been solved. Like, don't don't check this again. How the heck does that work? Whatever. Let's see what happens in the scene when I solve the code. Also, I can't remember if the code is... Damn, my code! It has a different code per difficulty, and I don't know what we're currently set to. I'm gonna say 4321. It was accepted! Wahoo! You know, this is still there, and there's no script on here either, so I can't even, like, check, like, a boolean. But I also might be focusing on the wrong object, I'm not sure. Let me find out. Stop zooming in on the map. No, yeah, that is the code. Wait, there is a script on it. Oh yeah, you don't see that info when you're looking at the remote. Actually, wait, why don't you? Whatever, man. How do I know to not process stuff twice? Oh, there's an interactable. So I'll need to expose that, because we'll need to check that. You know, let's call it is solved. Which means we gotta flip the boolean, but there might be other conditions I need to check here later, so that's why I'm doing it that way. You know what, we'll use it here as well, because why not? Yeah, okay. I had to, like, triple check myself there. Okay. Perfect. So again, what we need to do is go through the entire freaking tree and just check every node and see, like, are you a puzzle? Are you solved? Are you an item? Have you been picked up? Actually, the item one's a little easier because the lack of item is what we need to check for. Okay, so inspect comes... Okay, this is also good. All of this is going to be inside player interact. Any sort of event firing off of this stuff. So we can, like, just, like, call that... Oh, you know what, though? Like... Damn it. No, it's not going to be like that, because... This is... Ah, man. That's tricky. Well, okay, alternatively, we can call the map status and have that do this. Yeah, that should be okay. Okay. Holy moly, look at all this code. Alright, chat. Gotta think this over a little more. I'll be right back. I'm going nowhere. Or do, whatever. On it over. Scrapping the whole project. No. Okay, we gotta find our next soundtrack to put on. This one's almost over. I'm going this. Brand new game OST by David Weiss, the legend. Wise, I don't know, I said Weiss. The game Gimmick 2. Okay, so we have this on-code success. One thing that's kind of annoying about this is I don't really want to trigger this, because this can happen in 3 places, right? Like, it'll happen on ready if you're doing this. I guess it'll only happen... Never mind, okay. 2 places, whatever. But yeah, I think it's probably better to check after this rather than just in here, because we don't want to, like... We don't want to spam calls to the map with this. We just want it in the moment when it happens. We don't care about after the fact. Check for room cleared. So now we'll need to make that. Load map data. I don't know where I want to put this. I also need to check my map status UI. I need to borrow the way I figure out what the current room is. Oh. Ah. How does this work? Why do I need this node? Oh, right, because we're calling into a constant. Ooh. Well, that's nice and simple. I guess we won't need that until we know that we need to set something, but whatever. Oh. Right, what are these things? What all do I need to check for? I guess. Yeah, whatever. Oh. Yeah, give me the root. And then... get the children. And that's just type of node. Okay, okay. We need to do this a little recursively here. Yeah, actually, wait, no. We'll make a... That's where we do this. Private... static... bool... contains uncleared contains item for clear node. So then we'll call that here. The heck? Oh. Oops. Oh. Damn it. I'm gonna just make a million layers here for no reason. Not for no reason. Is uncleared node. Node. So close, autocomplete, so close. So first we check ourselves. If we're one of the types that we require, then just return true flat out at this point. We don't even need anything beyond that. Otherwise... Perfect. If contains item for clear child node, return true. And if none of those, we found nothing in any of these, then return false. So this will recursively dig through the entire tree. The second it finds one thing that doesn't meet the criteria for being cleared, it will pop back out. If it goes through everything and doesn't find anything, then the map is cleared, so it'll return false, which will then flip to room is cleared, and then we will set that. It's true, he did done say that. I know, we'll just keep this, minimize the number of not statements we need to do here, so instead of room is cleared, we'll call it contains pending item. Can't find the right wording for this, but this should work. So if node is item, return true. If node is map, pick up data. I forget which one of those. Note data. So if any of those return true, otherwise if node is, pardon me. Code. Oh god. Password? What's this thing called? Passcode. If node is passcode and node as passcode dot complete cleared solved is solved. There we go. Alright, I need to double check a lot of things now. Namely... That's not what I meant to check, actually. It's fine, we'll do it this way. No we won't, actually. That's not what I need. Yeah, okay, so... the map pickup is the thing that gets destroyed. Oh yeah, perfect. So yeah, map pickup. So I think I had it backwards then. So the data is not what I'm looking for. That one will remain intact. Okay, that's that. Oh, that's not the item. The heck is the item? This camera 2 change. I guess I could just look through the frickin' yeah, ammo spawn. Go to your scene. Okay, yeah, so the spawn... oh, right, the spawn code doesn't have anything under it intentionally, because sometimes it can spawn nothing. By design. Okay, spawn item, what do you do? Load packed scene. So we've got a prefab. Actually, where the hell does this come from? Well, either way, I think item container is the thing I'm looking for, not item itself. Yeah, item container would make sense. Oh yeah, because we're gonna find an item. Item container is strictly for things in the scene. If you have anything in your inventory, that would always return true, and you never have the room clear because the player's inventory would be picking up on that. That's no good. Alright. So, item container. And then I think note pickup is the right thing for the third one, but I'm going to double check just to be certain. Note pickup. Yeah, and then that's note data, but under it is a note pickup script, and this is the thing that gets destroyed when we, like... Actually, this whole thing might get deleted when you pick up a note. Notes are weird. Well, either way, that definitely gets destroyed, so I can do it that way. Okay. So those are all correct. And then passcode, we can check if it's solved. Okay, I like it this way in terms of, like, readability, but I am going to do this while we debug this, because this is not going to be simple. Oh, actually, you know what? No, hold on. We can just slightly modify this. I can get the node's name here. Hopefully that's good enough, we'll see. Maybe the name will be something confusing, like Area 3D or something. What is subnames? Well, subnames... Oh. I think this is what I want, actually. I probably should do this too. I thought of another thing I didn't put on my list of, Aw. Sorry, I'm like building my checklist for travel here. Okay, yeah, call the subnode here, call that, okay. This all should work. Famous last words. At least make the wording consistent. I can't find a name for this that I love here. It's just not clicking. Okay. So right now we're only calling that from the passcode code. Basically just got to do that elsewhere. Actually, you know what? Let's do this instead. Let's do that. Bada bing, bada boom. Simple as that. Okay, now we can go over here and just call map status.check for clear room instead of that. Make all the other places I need to do this from a lot more simple. Oh, shoot. Should I check locked doors? No, we said we weren't going to do that because there may be doors that are just locked that are just always meant to be locked, whether it's like on one side it's locked or whatever. I don't want to mess with that as a result. Okay. Pick up current map, pick up current note, pick up current item. Beautiful. Oh, that's just getting rid of that instance. And we'll call that after all that. Note parent queue free, perfect. Then we check after that. Map parent queue free, perfect. Alrighty. So now that should check every single time. Every single time we pick up a note, grab anything. Let's hope it doesn't lag horribly, because this is not the greatest process for doing this, but whatever. Alright, so we'll grab the map. Okay, it found the pistol ammo. Saw that that was an item, and then noped out of there. Perfect. Still uncleared, that's good. One thing I'm afraid of, I think it's gonna not update the map. Oh yeah, you know what? It won't. But we can make that happen easily. And then I don't need to worry about rechecking this when you load save data because this data is already being saved to your save file as to whether or not you've cleared a room out, so that will just load in normally. Crap, where do I do that? It's a lot of code in here. God damn. Oh, does this not happen in map status? No way. Okay. Might not. Shoot. That's a pickle. Okay, maybe this won't be so easy. Map data dot refresh map. Oh. Wait, literally just this, though. Okay. We already have the room ID anyway, so... Ah! Sweet. Alright, now it should work just fine. I mean, honestly, I guess I didn't know that it wasn't working, but... I did know. That was definitely not going to be functional. Is there a... No, there shouldn't be a check, and there isn't. That's good. Should only check when we're actually doing stuff. So pistol ammo was found to be an item. Grab that. Uh-oh. I found the pistol ammo again. I think it's not finding it in time properly. So the annoying thing is this will work. Hold on. It'll work because I do it over here, but if I do any of the other things, it won't work. Okay, yeah, so our room is marked as cleared now. Somewhere in there it will say room is cleared. Ah, yeah. Room was cleared. Okay. Well, I don't even need to reset. We can go into this room and go try to clear it out. And this will prove it. Oh, you know what this is? There's like a frame after. I have to like wait a frame after for it to like count as being like. Because I did queue free it, but it needs to process for a frame before it can recognize that is gone. Wonder if we pass a parameter to it, like, hey, ignore this thing, because we'll know which thing we're coming from, and we can tell it, like, okay, well, this doesn't matter, so just ignore this. That might be what we have to do. Alright, we'll try with a note first. Yeah, so it doesn't think it's cleared, but it is. Okay, 1 second, chat. Be right back again. Back again. Yeah, we're gonna need some way to check that out. Also, I should have been checking code in as I did stuff here, but whatever. I guess we'll do that after we finish this feature. Alright, well, this is happening at the correct correct cadence here. This is useful to what we're still debugging, so... Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oops. Ah. Yeah, we don't need to pipe that all the way down in there, I think. Yeah. We can just do it in here. Damn it. Why is this still mad? Why is all of this mad? What the hell? Global... Unique, objects unique and steady. ID can be saved. Okay. What? Ah! Actually, you know what? I guess at that point it should be a nullable unsigned long. Did I misspell it? Oh. I did. By a lot. Okay. Crisis averted. Just pass that through. We'll want to do the same for room, sorry, the note, and I guess also the map. I think all of them would have the exact same problem, so yeah. Boom. See what I'm saying, chat? Sometimes autocomplete. Pretty rad. Will it know this time? Yeah, it will. Yeah, buddy. Alright. So... we do this. And in theory... I'll do the map last in here, because it's... I can't test that in the other room. Yeah, just to double check. Yeah, it's not cleared. Pistol ammo, yep. No, it still detected that. The heck, man? Wait, it might have worked though. Hold on. Okay, that fixed it for the map but not the item? Oh, maybe I grabbed the wrong thing when I called get instance ID for the item specifically. Okay, so it's working for maps. Haven't tested notes yet, but item we gotta check too. Shoot. So what does the structure of that look like? Okay, so this goes back to, like, I can't use item as, like, the thing I'm checking. Because I use that same class, like, I instantiate copies of it in the player's inventory, so, like, if you have anything in your inventory, it's gonna, like, get a false positive there. I guess I could, like, put code in to not check the player, which would be a smart idea, because the player has a lot of shit under him, like, but, I don't know, that's going a bit far. Let me check. Let me just check by running it. This is tricky. That much is certain. Okay. So we've got pistol ammo, but then there's the item underneath it. Right, so this is the item container. That's what we're checking for. So if I just get parent, that should be it. I could do is item and is area 2D, because the other one that we make is not an area 2D. That's so jank though. That's like so incredibly jank. This item just is... Oh wait, never mind. How the hell... Alright, I don't know how we instantiate that properly, unless there's just a bunch of area 3Ds under the player when we, like, spawn their ammo in, or spawn their items in. Alright, I'm grabbing the parent, that should be good. Get parent. It's the simple fix, at least, I guess. I don't know, man. Alright, so I'll pick up this map, and it will say pistol ammo was found. Yep. Now if I pick up the pistol ammo, it should not say that the pistol ammo was found as an item Yes, the pistol itself now is the thing that was found. Enter the code. Pistol was found. Still correct, yep. If I pick up the pistol, so right now our map is not complete, but if I pick up the pistol, didn't see a complaint, we're cleared now. Alright, good. Let me test the note really quick. So note as last pickup. Big key. Note pickup area 3D. I don't know which one's which actually. Whatever, doesn't matter. I think that was the same one. Boom. Okay, good. We're good. And this room still should show cleared because it's set to show clear by default, since there's no items in it. Ba-boom! We did it! Okay. I want to leave myself notes in a couple of places here. You know what? I'm gonna say this. I'm downgrading it to this is jank. It is still jank, but it's not like really that bad. That's not how you spell hierarchy. There we go. There we go. I can spell. I guess to be fair, at most what breaks is the map completion logic. It's not that bad. And this, I like leaving this warning in. If anything ever gets like janked up in like order of operations, like this will let me know that this thing hasn't been instantiated. Oh yeah, actually, you know what else? Oops, I almost forgot to put the knot there. That'd been bad. Alright. Thorough in-code documentation here. Let's commit that bad boy and send it off, shall we? Yeah, I think I want to update all of these. Probably. Made updated map logic in several ways. Room player is in now flashes instead of using a separate color. Track whether a room has been cleared each time an item or puzzle gets solved. What else do we do? And scroll the map. You can scroll the map. I guess move the map around, whatever. Move the map around. There's one more thing I'm forgetting here. What is it? I'm blanking, chat. What the hell is the other thing I did? Oh yeah, parameter, yeah. Added flag to auto set room to cleared. Yep, there's no items in the room. Commit. Push. Oh, I don't need all these tabs open either. Okay. Now for the big stuff, chat. Let's try this. I hope this works. I don't see why it wouldn't, but you never know. Also, I need to find the map thing. Where is the map? Debug area 1. There we go. Thank you. So we need to add a parameter, or possibly 2 parameters. I don't know. We'll see what happens. For room position scale. And we're gonna need to tweak this like crazy. Also, we need to make a marker for the player as well. UI wise, where does that Okay, their anchors in their top left. That's good. That is good. Because we want to take, like, the position from the top left, map the player's position multiplied by this fudge factor. Yeah, no, that works, actually. Fuck yeah. And then we'll have an X and a Y, so it doesn't even technically need to, like... I don't need to make those squares exactly accurate to how... This could work, chat. Ew, pardon me. Map room data, I think is what I'm looking for. Yep. The thing with 12,000 fucking parameters on it. Let's add one more. Wahoo! Oh, jeez. Where do we even move that thing? Feel like map data should have that. We don't have a process method in here, but we can add one easily. So yeah, map data is for a specific area, yes. Also, I am regretting greatly that I called this area ID an area name. That should just be called map name and map ID. I have to call it like the map ID lookup in other places. Okay, cool. Then that's going to be at the top level of our area, right? This is the... It's the map data, yep. Okay, cool. And rotation we can take care of pretty easily. That one's not even tricky, because we just need to take, like, the normal vector of the player and, sorry, no, take the forward vector of the player, and then map that onto our object. And that should be okay, I think. I'm sure I'm gonna, like, get it backwards or 90 degrees off or some shit like that, but that's fine. Chat. It's everybody's favorite time. Actually, wait. Everybody's favorite time where I hide for a second. I mean, I'm not hiding, I'm right here, but, I don't know what information GIMP might show when I open this. I need to draw a very simple icon for the player here. So give me a moment as I get this set up. And make it safe. Alright, we'll make this 32 by 32. Background, transparency. Perfect. And then let me set up my save folder here. Yep. Yep, as expected. This is why chat. I don't know where to put this actually. I guess I'll go in here, whatever. Create subfolder. Call it art. It's in my code folder. Hey, Senior Trick, thank you for the follow. What's up? How's it going? 1 second here. What am I naming this thing? I can show you guys the screen again, it doesn't matter. It's fine. At this point we're doing this, so it's fine. Oh yeah, player arrow. I probably should make subfolders, whatever, it doesn't matter. It does not matter at all. I'm making a really simple icon, it's fine. Just planning to lurk a bit. Nice. Well, enjoy your lurk. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Should we make this arrow? Oh, wait. This is a... Nope, I screwed it up already. Alright, hold on. You're doing good. Keep up the good work. Thanks. Thank you. Much appreciated. Like I said, enjoy your lurk. I don't know if that is symmetrical or not. That's, Alright, whatever. It'll work for now. Probably. I don't know why it wouldn't. Alright. Let's export that bad boy. Chat, I am a baby. I'm gonna hide again in case my export decides to choose a different folder. It did not. We're good. Okay, cool. Give me that PNG. I don't know why that opened over here. You guys can see that. That's fine. That's... Well, yeah, whatever. Again, I just needed... I don't know why I spent so long doing that. It should have taken me 2 seconds. Okay, so we're adding a sprite for that. Totally, much like everything else in all of the UI things I do, I will totally make this look good later. Wait, no, I don't want a sprite. I want a, jeez. I think color rects can actually use textures, if I'm not mistaken. Player icon. Yes. Maybe? Okay, earlier I definitely found a material that you can, like, toss into a color rect. Chat, I am being a silly goof here. I literally just need to look at my player inventory prefab because it already has this exact thing. What are you? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, fine. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, nerd. Classic get wrecked. How you doing, Epio? Oh, I clicked the... Wait. Oh, this is here, actually. Hold on. Portrait. What is portrait? Texture wrecked. Ah! Got double wrecked, chat. I'm taking this. Deleting that. Epio, do you mess around with like random Doom wads? I'm trying so hard to like crowdsource fun like Doom mods I could play. And thus far I have failed to get any input from anybody. I know I'm never gonna find something as cool as myhouse.wad. I've already accepted this, but I'm sure there's other good ones out there that are worth playing. Kinda? Gotcha. Well, if you ever think of, like, something that would be cool to play, just let me know. Watch some YouTubers play some famous ones, too. I had a lot of fun playing that Mario one. Even though it was kind of bullshit at certain parts. Oops, not what I meant to do. I can't scale that down any more than this. I don't believe that. I don't believe I can't do that. What the heck? You're telling me it only goes to, like, the actual size of the thing? Why? Oh, because it's on keep size. Ignore size. But I probably should make it multiples of 32. That probably will be better. I don't know. Occasionally play the extremely popular ones and watch YouTubers play other ones. Ew. Sorry, I just put my hand in a bowl. A dirty bowl. Dirty bowl of mac and cheese that I ate for dinner. That looks crazy with the green screen also. Okay. So, debug area, I need to add a parameter to that. Not debug area, map data. Dying. Private, texture rect. I don't think I need to be that specific, but whatever, we'll do it. Tastes slightly different for yours because I like the Doom mods that feel as Doom as possible. Also fair. I tried a couple off stream, like just to like test to see like is this something I should play, and I haven't found any yet. Then I'm like, yes, I'm in on this. There was a really cool Metroid one that I saw, like Metroid Prime style, but it's like deathmatch focused. Just like there's a Mega Man one as well that's also very cool, but it again there is a single player mode, but it is clearly meant to be a like deathmatch style thing you're playing against other people, and I don't know. I just have no interest in, like, playing against bots to do that. What am I calling this? This will be player icon. It's actually really simple. to figure out what to call this. Level design's hard. Some people just make deathmatch stuff. And I get that. Hell, even making like deathmatch levels is not an easy task. Like, Ooh. So now we want to make a update method. Process, as some might call it. Shoot. I don't think I know what the active map is in the map data. Yeah. Crap. So we call refresh map a lot of places apparently. Oh, 2 recommendations, hell yeah. Is it Phobos and Phobos 2? That's one that I kind of have my eye on. I haven't tried those. Or is it called Phobos? I forget. Doom 1 and Doom 2. Nice. I'm so sad that the UDB, the Ultimate Doom Builder, like, it just doesn't work on my computer. I can show you guys right now if you want to see. Ultimate Guitar? Wait, where the heck? Hold on. Like, it was working, and then it just suddenly stopped working, and I have no idea why. There's an update. Maybe this will work. I hope this doesn't crash my stream. Please don't be so long. Yeah, close the editor. Who cares? I wanted to make goon.wad. And, this happens when I try to do that. Yeah, it's still doing it. Also, I don't know why I moved that off screen so you guys can't see it. But yeah, it's just frozen. When I try to load the thing I was making, if I try to open a new file, same deal. It just freezes. Now I have UDB in my way. Cool. It's been great streams. One day I'll get it fixed. Actually, you know what? I have a new laptop. Maybe I could make a Doom WOD while I'm on vacation. I mean, I can also work on this game while I'm on vacation. My plan is to work on my real game while I'm on vacation, to some degree. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the last dev stream before I go on vacation. Having said that, I might still just stream while I'm on vacation doing this, because I have a laptop that's good enough to stream and do this, so... No rest for the living. I've never heard of that. Thanks. Ten great Doom 2 levels? Perfect. That's fine by me, honestly. Not the Doom wiki. Eh, whatever. Chad, I got so derailed. I'm sorry. Okay, so if I can pass, so when we refresh the map, I can tell it what the active oh, actually no, I need to tell what the active room is. Oh, that's trickier actually. Still doable though. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Do I have a lookup in here? I don't. I just have like an array. That's okay, kind of, I guess. God, this is messy. I did not think this would be this. I did kind of know this was gonna be tricky, but yeah. Hmm. Move player icon. Map status, gen instance. What is the map status in that namespace? Oh, so yeah, so what we do, let me, hold on, I can show this a lot easier. So I have map status as sort of an overarching thing that's in every scene. It's like, it's a static, it's an autoloader. So like there's one map status object in the entire game. I do this with a couple other things as well. And to make things easy to like reference the map status, since I know there's only one, I have a static object that is the instance of it, and then I have like a get instance call to like retrieve this. And basically on ready, so since this is an auto load, this is one of the first things that will run. It sets that static object to the only copy of it that's going to initialize, and then does some other initialization stuff that's not really important. And then over here, like, you can just call get instance from anywhere, and because it's static, like, I don't need to call get node and then give it the whole path of like where to find it, which also would be easy enough, but like this should in theory be more efficient because it's not making an extra call, it's just passing the reference directly, since like I have this static instance stored. It's a pattern I've used a lot in Unity, and I don't know, I guess I haven't had any trouble with it, or trouble doing this in Godot. But it might not be like the most efficient way to do things, I don't know. Or I mean, like, it's worked fine, so I think I'm good, but I could just be carrying over knowledge from a different game engine, and maybe this isn't the best way to do things. But that's basically how it works. I hope that made some amount of sense. Let me know if I can elaborate on any of that, or go over any of that slower, since I kind of rushed through that. Cool. But yeah, since that's sort of like a global thing that's just overarching, like tracking the status of like not so much like what map you're on, but like data about the maps, like whether you have a map, whether you've like cleared out rooms. That's what that thing's there for. Much like I have a player status that's there for like how much health the player has, whether they have the menu open right now, like other stuff like that, which isn't controlling the player itself, but is like tracking stats about it. I don't think I need the delta for this, but I will pass it through. Oh, oops. I should also do a thing in here where I hide the sprite. So, okay, here's where things get weird, and I don't have any support for this yet, but we're actually pretty, like, I could add this pretty easily since we load all the maps up front. There's only one map here, but I should test this at some point. We need a mechanism for like swapping maps. So for example, I'm just gonna use Resident Evil as the baseline here. You have a map of the RPD, and then you have a map of like the sewer area or whatever. You can always just check all of those maps, but like your icon's not gonna be on one of them. So if I can't find, like, if the current area that we're in is not part of like the current map you're looking at, I should just hide this icon. So again, I'm like approaching this wrong. I'm doing too much at once. Oh my god, chat, we got another one. Easy username to ban. Very easy to type. Do better next time, kiddo. Okay, well, Uh, yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Thank you. Okay. If this sounds like a song out of Celeste, which is very weird to say, because the soundtrack for the game we're listening to is by David Weiss. What? No, Wise. What am I? I don't know why I keep on to call him Weiss. Is it Weiss? I don't know. David Wise. That's not what I thought he looked like. Yeah, it's just Wise. I don't know why I keep saying Weiss. Anyway. Alright, I'm going on a tangent. Let's, so, current room. Game assumes that the player has a mental map. They already... Yeah, that is true. So I do have logic around that right now. I can kind of show that. So, like, there is a physical object that you can find that is a map for the area. But if you don't have that, any place you've been, it will track, like, okay, here's this, and the name of it, or whatever. And as you explore more, it will build the map out. But if you were to find the map object, like this over here, then it shows the whole area, but I have different like colors to show different statuses for each of those things. Likewise, as you inspect doors, this is something less Resident Evil and more Silent Hill, but whatever, I'm making my own thing here. Like it shows like status, like I know this door is locked now, and for example, I went through this door so I know that I can go through it. This one I haven't done anything with, so it's gray. It doesn't, I don't know what it is, and the map doesn't tell you that, but also locked, so it's that. Anyway. Yeah. Also, we just ran out of soundtrack, chat. We gotta change again. The 30 best GameCube soundtracks. Funky Game Jams, Volume 2. What do I go with here? Pardon me. Alright, let's go with the Kirby music. Start from the beginning. No, don't start from the beginning. Screw green greens, chat. Yeah, our style is cute. Thanks. I am gonna revamp some stuff here. Well, honestly, hopefully everything if things go well. So this player model is just a thing. Like I just downloaded this, and there's a filter on it making him wobbly, which that's probably gonna stay. I might make it like less wobbly because right now it's pretty extreme. But I want to model my own guy. That thing standing behind the wall here, this enemy guy I have over here, he is I modeled that like a million years ago. But he because of the way I modeled him, I can't put bones on him, so I need to make that again. Oh, yes! Hold on, I can show him. I need to set... This is very silly, but I need to I don't have a way to switch the difficulty, but he is actually set to show up on a certain difficulty in this room. I just need to find the code that I'm looking for. Player status. We're hard coding it right now. If I put it on hard, he should show up. He's just very... I need to fix the AI, because right now he's, like, really fucking obnoxious. If you try running in the room, he hears you, and then he'll run at you. And even if you don't do that, he wanders around. So he may wander into you. And he does, like, a ton of damage, also. I need to fix this enemy. Oh, wait, yeah, okay, if he bumps into you, he still knows to attack you. Although he... forgot, I guess. He's walking away. But yeah, there he is. I still haven't textured him. I need to texture everything. But yeah, see, I run and he's like, oh, you're over here. It's basically meant to be sort of a licker from Resident Evil, but not quite the same thing. I need to tune it in, though. But yeah, one of the things I'm trying to do with like the game is not only can there be like different things spawning in on different difficulties to make the difficulties like interestingly different, but I mean, I guess you could see the code commented out right here, but I have code for a randomizer where it can randomize like enemies, passwords, items, like shuffle around where the keys are and stuff. So yeah. My game may not look like much, but there's a lot of code in here. Oh, you said that? Yeah. Pardon me. Once I actually put some levels in this game, it will be fun. Right now, it's just kind of like, whatever. That's the type of art people would like? Hell yeah. Well, like I said, I do want to get everything, because that spider thing is... That's ready to go. It's got bones, I can animate whatever I want out of it. I just need to texture it at this point. Yeah. Oops. Okay, so if... Actually, you know what? I'll just do this instead. If it's not the same, just continue. And then... So basically, we're we're ultimately trying to move the player icon. Pardon me. I need to get the player's position. This is messy. This is very messy. Ugh. Alright. We'll start... Okay, we'll do this one step at a time. I'm gonna start with, like, just the... Like, I'll put the player in the top left corner of the room that they are in currently. Then we'll move to, like, actually moving it. Relative to where the player is, which I don't have a plan for yet. Why did I do float? Int. Why did it add 2 parentheses around that? Trying to think of like how I set this back to null. Anyway, player is on this map equals true. Player icon dot visible is equal to player is on this map. That is weird to set that like every frame though. I guess we're moving it every frame also. That's fine. This doesn't feel like a great thing to run on update. This is kind of... Actually, yeah, you know what? Screw it. Instead of current room ID, just get current room and we'll set it when we, set it when we set it over here. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Set to null. I don't even know why I'm rewriting this. Cool. Now we don't need to do this search and look up over here. Okay. That is all good. We need to pass the player icon in as a parameter. Haven't done that yet. I also need to call this set current room. That said 16 references. Then just went down to 2 or 3. Fuck. This actually is where I wanted to call this. Yes. Perfection. And I can't call that anywhere else, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we can't do it on ready. Same one. The heck? Oh, right, no, yeah, that's why. Oh, right, that's just... Okay, that's fine. We actually don't want to update the room ID there, because we're in the same room, nothing's changed. Okay. Now we've assigned that. So in theory, the player should show up in the upper left corner of whatever room they're currently in after making that code change. Dang. Oh, wait. Crap. Oh, their anchor is entirely different. This is gonna be rough. Ugh. Yeah, I bet they are somewhere on the map. It's just... where? Maybe I should add, like, mouse support to this. Like, do a click and drag. Hold on. Let's check we can see on the remote. So, if I go into player map... No, player inventory, map, debug, blah, 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 blah. No, he's hidden. Okay. Index. Oh right, that doesn't happen until I open the map. Found a match at index 0. So why is it invisible? What's up with that? The heck, man? So current room is not null. Ah! I guess I could do has value. No wait, no I can't. That's not a nullable type. Classic. Classic flip logic, chat. Alright. Now everything's gonna work perfectly, no bugs whatsoever. Come on, let's go. But you know, that could be worse. Okay. Yes. Yes! Alright, cool. So now in our room data, I want to add a new thing. I don't know if I need to add 2 things or 1. We're gonna try to do 1. Vector 2. What am I doing here? I want to do... Oh yeah. Layer, map, position, scale. Build. Did not even remotely try to export that. Interesting. Hold on. There's gotta be a thing for that. Cause like here, like frickin' this, for example, right? This is a XY thing. Maybe I gotta put a hint in or something. Godot export vector 2. Hacked vector 3 array. The heck? I'm not allowed to do that. Exported vector 2 inspector value is ignored. Please someone tell this person why they're wrong so I can make this work. Oh no, their default value is not being respected, as opposed to this is just, it's just not fucking exporting it. Oh, do I have the wrong class? Maybe I put it in the wrong class. Oh. No, I didn't. I'm just looking at the wrong thing right now. Aki. Alright. We had it right all along. Oh, also I should probably set a default value. Hold on. Default to 1 right now. Is there like some .1 or something? How could it be simplified? Oh, screw you. Oh, just using that. Whatever, who cares? That also needs to be public, unfortunately. So we need to reference it in the other spot when we're moving the player icon around. I almost feel like the player should tell us their position. Like, have it call something to set this. But I don't know. I don't know where that goes. Because, like, The player doesn't know what the fuck the map is. I guess it does. It's under the player, but like, and vice versa. Like that doesn't know. Like the two things aren't talking. But this would be the best thing to give us its position because it's the same object. Yeah. Oh, right. I'm like, why is there no movement in here? Because it's physics process as well, right? Wait, does the player not move the player? Yeah, okay, no, never mind, here we are. I was gonna be so confused for a second there. Actually, wait, the player does have... Well, they have some things. I mean, it's under its own hierarchy, so, like, it could... Like, I could just have a reference to the map, I guess. But, I need the specific area map for what the current one is. Maybe I should pass this data to the map status, which surely doesn't belong there, but then I can grab it, because, like, anything has access to the map status. Okay, no, screw that. I'll put it on the player status, because player status is the same thing. Like, that can at least track where the player's at. That's not too bad. Anyway, chat, give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna go use the restroom, and then I will be back to hopefully get this working. I feel like we're not terribly far away from getting this to work. We could probably get it to work tonight. Or at least somewhat. Oh my gosh, a raid! I got back just in time, kind of. What's up, everybody? Welcome on in, Raiders. We're doing something very exciting right now. Working on the map system for my game. How'd your stream go, Ninja? Hope you had a good one. So, let me go over here. Specifically right now, what we're trying to do is, so we got our map and all that good stuff, and it shows all the areas. I can find the map and it'll show more stuff. That's cool. But I'm trying to get an icon to show where you are as the player in the room currently. We also can scroll the map. I feel like I should make this faster. This seems slow. Just realizing that now. I'm gonna go buff that really quick. Hold on, I just need to tweak a number somewhere. That would be over here, I believe. That's 200. Should be fine. Just building a cult, no biggie. Nice. Is it Cult of the Lamb or something else? That seems relatively fine. I don't know, maybe even faster would be better, but double it. Correct, nice. I need to play that game. My backlog just grows on, I know, literally anybody that plays video games feels that way, I'm sure. Alright, that's like the correct speed. Let me do my controller real quick, see how it feels there. Yeah. I will note that this is actually inverted. At first I thought, okay, that's fine, but now I'm kind of feeling like maybe I shouldn't make it inverted. I don't know. Whatever. Who cares? I literally just need to do a -1 if I do want. Wait, no, it's worse than that, because it's... Okay, I'm fixing that. Alright, now I've got sidetracked on other stuff, but still, though. It's only inverted for the up and down. Left is left, right is right, but up scrolls the map down and down scrolls the map up. Oh wait, no, never mind, it is all... Yeah, left goes right and right goes left. No, screw that. screw this. Make it all... Make it all normal. Perfect, okay. Good. Anyway, so we've got the player's marker showing up in the top left corner of whatever room you're in, but I need to make it turn where they're turning and move it to where they are. And I think we just decided I'm gonna put that in our player status object. Just kind of like an overarching thing. I'm making that static. Rather than a vector 2, I think maybe a float is better. I mean, maybe this is the wrong way to do this. I don't know. Maybe I should just pass the vector 2 in, but the thing is we're translating a 3D angle into a... Or, well, I mean... Like, I can't just take the vector... Like, I can't just record a vector straight from the player because I want, like, normal to, like, the vertex that up with their forward. Like, what is that angle? That's not the right angle that I'm trying to say. Yeah, anyway. Because I need to translate this to a 2D space, so... I can spell. Okay, now in the player, after they move and slide, oops. I don't know if I want I guess I do want relative to position, whatever. We'll just put 0 for now for the angle. Oh, shoot. Yeah, okay, we only want... Oh my god, what are the axes? This is Y. Okay, so I just want XZ. Actually, you know what? I don't want to, like, new up an object that... Because this is going to happen every frame or whatever. We'll just update it to do this. Take a vector 3. And then later on down the line we can just grab the X and Z. So we don't care about what's in the Y, but we don't want to new up a new thing just for the sake of it. Okay, so this should be passing data over to player status now. All we need to do is go in and... Right, so... Map data, I guess, would just grab this. So we'll take current room dot position plus the oh yeah, shit. So take player status dot get player position times oh shoot. Yeah, and this is also messed up, yeah, because that's vector 2D. I guess we are newing up a new vector anyway, but that's okay. So we want to take player pause X, and then multiply that by the current room dot scale, or player map position scale dot X, and then player pause dot Z multiplied by current room dot player map position scale dot Y. Scaled player pause is equal to this. And that ought to do it. And this is gonna be like super fucked right now. I need to adjust these scales, but that's part of the fun. Need to get a feel for it. So I've surely forgotten to set something somewhere. And this will cause issues. Wrong button. Or it just won't run? What? Oh, I didn't do anything with that data. I just made a thing. No, wait, no, it does set that. Heck. Unless, like, that's 0 somehow, I guess, maybe? Oh. That's an interesting twist. It's actually, like, way too low. Also, it's not centered properly. I need you to not kill me, sir. Yeah, I figured you couldn't manage that. Because 0, 0 is where we're standing. So that's a little fucked up. I guess we can have an offset also? Ugh. Ugh. Okay, well, we'll do that too, I guess. That is surprising that it is actually, like, moving. It's just, like, the scale needs to be higher for some reason. Okay, map room data. Export. Public vector 2. Room origin offset. New vector 2. We'll default that one to 0, 0. I think that is appropriate. To make that math easier, I think we should subtract that free scaling. Oh, I'm in the wrong thing. I'm looking for map data. So, I'm gonna do player X plus current room dot room origin offset dot X. And then same thing with the dot Y. Okay. What on earth am I doing? Okay, so there's no more to do here. let's just tweak this for room 1. Oh, also rebuild, I guess. That might need to be like 10 times the scale, given how the player was moving. And then the offset, we need to do like minus 15, minus 20. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I hit build instead of run. No, I hit run. It's just being very slow. Alright, that was a little bit much. Perhaps... The heck? I'm not moving at all now. Well, it's hard to tell. With it not against anything, it's hard to see like how much it's actually moving. Where the heck is it further out now? Alright, set this back to 0. Well, that's just confusing. So scaling it out made it, like, off by more, but it's also, like, still stuck in, like, the wrong spot. It's very weird. So we actually want us to, like, move this over in a positive direction. Let's really go crazy here. Times 100 it. Didn't save it. Good. Okay, it saves when it builds. Also good. Where is that icon at? Oh, he's gone. Alright. Maybe not so crazy. Let's set it to 20. He's just fucking out of here. Oh, is it in the wrong direction? Is it going this way? Ah. Yes, it is. God. So it'll be too far off to the left if I do this. No, it won't. What? The heck? Hey, that actually lines up with the edge. Shame this side doesn't. The scale is working. Okay, so I need to like double that, but then I also need to adjust it so it's lined up correctly. This will be very fun to do for every single room in the game. Yeah, not the best implementation here. Oh, okay, well, he's not in the right spot, but... Yeah, so if I could, like, center that, it'd be in, like, pretty decent shape. I need to move it over, you move it to the right. So, like, I guess +1. Maybe I should add this after the fact. It might be easier to line up that way. Because it would be on the same, like, magnitude of, like, things I'm multiplying. I think we ran out of music, by the way. So if I do, like, +10 now, it's going to go in some crazy spot. We did indeed run out of music, chat. Donkey Kong time. Did I not? Aw, man. I just entered the text. I didn't get it in there. Alright, so 10's too much. What about 5? That's kind of good. Hold up. Are we off the map? We're a little bit off the map. Is 4 the magic number? What about 4.5? I feel like we were like almost exactly there. It's still too much. Maybe the scale is too much. Yeah, maybe like dial it down by 1. That's confusing, but whatever. Alright, maybe more than 1, maybe down to like 35 or something. Second Doom mod recommendations, Ancient Aliens. Ooh. Ooh. Thanks. I'm not centered now. I think we scaled it down too much. Or maybe not. Like, okay, so like on this edge, we're this far over. I think we're more than that away from the edge on this side, though. Oh, actually, maybe not. Maybe we just gotta scooch it over a little bit, then we're good. It's probably too much, the extra 0.5. That's kind of fine. What about this side, though? I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, I don't know. It shouldn't. He shouldn't go outside of the map, but for the sake of just setting something up, I don't know. It seems like it's fine. I'm gonna do the same for the y-axis. See if it just works. Did not just work, chat. But maybe the scale's right, and I just gotta move the offset more on this one. No, that kind of looks like it's like a lot. Oh no, stuff's crashing. Maybe more like 25 on this one. But then also like 10 on the offset. A little bit much there. It still looks like it's too much scale. I don't know, maybe not, but... No, I'm dead! Don't kill me. Fucker. Yeah, that's pretty far down. Maybe more like 20 then? Look, I don't need to adjust that, because like the more I scale, I think I had the opposite effect of what I was trying to do with this with the offset. Okay, we're getting close. Okay, so that's down by that much, right? Not a whole lot outside of the boundaries here. Yeah, if I tweak that adjustment so it's like a little bit less, like 8 maybe, it might be good. I'm dialing this in not just because, like, oh, I love getting my test maps to, like, line up correctly. I want to see how much of a pain this process is and see, like, think about ways I can improve this. You know what? That's good enough for me, chat. Alright. Like, that wasn't horrible, but I don't know. I do that for every single room ever. Like, that kind of sucks. But, yeah, one other thing I wanted to do, get the rotation in there, and then I think we'll call it from there. Let's get that going. So in the player... Oh yeah. Wait. Tell me what your global rotation is, goddammit. What type is this? Okay, it is a vector. Rotation. Not process rotation. Speaking of that. Godot. Translate 3D rotation to 2D. Is 2D rotation harder than 3D, or am I stupid? Yeah, converting 3D rotation to 2D rotation. Thank you. How do I do the A tangent of something? Oh, I guess rotation. Rotation degree is that A tan. Nope. Math dot A tan. Oh, there we go. This takes doubles, I guess. So this is gonna be really unhappy about. Need math F dot A tan too. Is that a float? Yes. Now, will this work? Probably not. Me just randomly copying some math equation. Oh wait, it is rotating. Yeah, but it is not working at all. Okay. Fine, fair enough. Now, is that an issue on the map data side or elsewhere? So there is no, like, call to rotate. I also might be grabbing the wrong field, too. Maybe we just do it in radians and then everything's fine. Honestly, there's no reason for me to do it in degrees in the first place, but... Okay, hold on. Yes, now we're off by 90 degrees. Okay, no, we're not, actually. Okay, now things are fucked. Boom, 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 boom. The arctangent of the y and x radians used to get the angle tangent x y yx. Okay. Chad's too late for geometry. This is saying X and Z is what I should be using. But that's not... It's not even the checkmarked answer on this question, though. The heck? Transform format, not exist for mesh instance 2D, but it also seems to have no impact on multi-mesh instance 2D. I don't know what I'm looking at here. This is a weird forum post. Also, it's from fucking 3 years ago. Rotation... No. Never mind. Maybe I don't want YX, maybe I want ZX. That's the problem. I honestly, I'm not sure right now. Much more messed up is this going to be this way? It's stuck down. Oh, how did I knock over this? My trash bin. Good. So not Not even Godot. Alright. Mathematically. Translate 3D angle to 2D angle minimap. Trigonometry, here we go. Oh, right, okay, so if I'm thinking about this, right, I'll draw it here. Let's just do this for now. So what we actually want, right, we've got our axes, right, our Z, our X, and then our Y in 3D. And we want to take, like, the angle between, like, whichever way the player is pointing, so they're forward, which I guess is just rotation or whatever. We want to take that relative to this axis, so we want to take, like, I don't know. Oh, actually, this appears to be the same answer, is that you want to take the arctangent of Y and X specifically. Maybe we're close, I'm just using, like, the wrong values or something. Let me go back here. Godot, Atan 2. Using Atan 2 versus dot product to get angles in 2D games. Angle of rotation of kinematic force. Does Atan... Hold on. The angle of tangent yx. It takes into account the sine of both arguments. An angle that result in the given tangent value. Okay, how about this, though? It's gonna spam so badly, but that's okay. I want to know. Need numbers, chat. You know where I'm going wrong here. So that does appear to be in radians. Also, it isn't changing very much, which is weird. Why would it not update until I, like, pass a threshold? That's strange. It's just one value. Oh, right. Didn't want to do that, actually. Will this be different now that I'm using the actual, like, radians instead of the degrees? No, it still just fluctuates between the same things. That's very weird. I mean, I don't think ZX is the answer either. Let's do this instead. Let's see what this has for us. What if I, oh my god, what if I just take rotation degrees Y? Literally all I need, I think. I mean, either or, the radian or the degrees. Yeah. Oh my god, that's actually just what I need. Well, that's actually a load off my shoulders too, because I was worried that I'd be doing like a lot of ATAN calls every physics process, and that might add an unnecessary amount of load to the game. I mean, to be fair, we're doing a lot of things right now that's probably not great performance-wise. It would be nice to like implement something to not run these updates when the map isn't active, but or like just call it once. Okay, now we might be off by like, okay, we're backwards now. Well, not backwards. Kind of backwards. We're back. I think we're backwards and also off by 90 degrees. degrees, 2 radians. 1.5708. Actually, let's see what this does first. Dude, I love angle math. I'm so fucking good at it. It doesn't cause even the least amount of frustration when I'm like, things are just doing whatever. Okay, it's rotating along with me now. So if I just bump that 90 degrees more, I think we're good at that point. It's a rounding error though. Fuck. Alright, you know what? Fuck this. Rotation degrees. And then going back to player. Because, yeah, radians are between, like, 2 pi and 0, right? Or, I don't know, chat, I'm tired. Wait, is it working? Oh my god, it's working! Yay! Ignore that I'm not in front of the right door right now. It's a different problem altogether. Did this get borked at some point? I thought we tuned this in right. I guess not. Oh well. We tried. This is gonna be really borked, but that's okay. The important thing is the rotation works. Oh, shoot. Maybe that's part of what's screwing it up, actually. Hold on. So if I rotate more, it goes... Yeah, it's like rotating around itself. Balls. That is a slight problem, chat. But you know what? That's a problem for another day. I'm calling it there. We got it relatively working. Let me go commit that code as usual. Track players, position, and rotation in the map. Pretty jank at the moment. Commit that code, push that code, it's out there. Ba-boom. Well, chat, I will be streaming tomorrow. What the heck? Sorry, Git just like froze for some reason. It had to push a whole like 5 files up to the cloud. It's crazy. But yeah, we'll be playing Mundawn tomorrow. It's a game, I think it's from last year. When was that game from? Let me find out. Maybe longer, I don't know. Oh, 2021. Okay, a couple years ago, whatever. Should be a fun time. And we may play something after that. I can't tell if that game is going to be 2 hours long or 4 hours long, but either way we should finish it in stream. And then as we saw earlier tonight, Hollow Body finished installing, so we'll play that on Tuesday. That's a whole 4-hour game though, so that's perfect. Perfect for Tuesday. But yeah. Till then, y'all, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for all the raids. I really appreciate it, everybody. And thanks for the follows as well. All y'all that followed today. Until then, Goon at night. Like I said, this may be my last dev stream for a couple weeks. Well, I mean, I'm going on vacation soon, so I won't be streaming at all for a couple weeks. But I am still streaming tomorrow and the day after, at the very least. Possibly one more day before then, but I also gotta pack a ton of stuff and whatever else. So, anyway, point is, I'll see you when I see you. Goon at night.